If you invested in crypto with the expectation of getting rich, there is a big problem which you are not aware of. Let me come out from this PC because this is a serious matter. In 2009, we had only one coin called Bitcoin. Now, if you invested $1 into Bitcoin by then, you would have made $1 million by now. You see how easy it is to make $1 million, right? Now, let's jump into 2012 and let's see the data. In 2012, we had three coins: Bitcoin, XRP, and Litecoin. Now, if you started crypto in this year and you invested a few hundreds of dollars into these coins, you would have also made over $1 million right now. You can see that it is also easy to make $1 million from crypto if you started back then. But in 2017, over 1,000 coins were created. And if you look at the list showing on my screen right now, you can see that less than 50 of the coins you could find back then are still existing today. Now, when you think about it, you can see that your chances of making $1 million have reduced greatly. Now, you might be asking, what is the point you're trying to make in this video? Well, I'm about to review it to you right now. So stay with me. Let's jump into 2021. In 2021, we had over 10,000 coins. The problem in 2021 compared to the previous years is that right now, you have to pick from 10,000 coins. And this is so difficult to pick, especially if you are a total newbie in crypto as at then. Now, this was the same time I came into crypto, and one of the ways we actually look out for coins to buy was to look out for coins with a lot of zeros. Let's say 0.0000001. And our expectation is, if this coin is able to get to $1, we will become super rich. And this made us lose a lot of money because we were waiting for $1. Coins like Shiba, we're actually waiting for $1 on Shiba, which will never happen in this life. Even coins like Doge and all of that. And we never took profits from most of these coins because we were expecting $1. And because of that, when the bear market came, all of these coins crashed. Right now, we are currently in 2024, and it is even worse compared to these previous years I actually mentioned. Because in some months, over 100,000 coins are created on Solana alone. I'm not talking about the entire crypto market. Now, I personally think that right now we have over 1 million coins existing, which simply means for you to become rich in this bull market, you have to pick from these 1 million coins. So the question you might be asking me right now is, how can you pick the right coins out of these 1 million coins? And secondly, how can I make $1 million in this bull market? I personally want to make $10 million in this bull market, and I already have a blueprint as to how I'm going to do this to make this money. And I'm going to share all of that in this video. This is not the regular video you find on YouTube, so it will be thoughtful of you to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and click on that bell icon right away if you want to make millions in this bull market. So let's get started. If you want to be successful in this bull market, the first thing you must do is to embrace Memecoins. Memecoins are currently the major gateway for you to get rich in crypto right now. I know a lot of you might be saying Memecoins are risky, you can lose your money and all of that. Yes, they are risky, but other utility coins are also very risky. Example is Luna. Luna actually crashed from $44 billion market cap down to $500 million market cap. This is actually over a 95% loss. Now imagine if you had $100 into that coin, you've lost $95. The next one is Stacknet. Stacknet was at some point at $2 billion market cap, and it crashed down to $500 million market cap. ZK and so many other coins like that have performed poorly. So tell me, aren't all coins risky? This simply tells you that even utility coins are also risky. Right now, people have given up on several utility coins because most of them are VC backed. And you know, once they are backed by VC, these coins actually have a very high FDV, like $10 billion, $8 billion FDV. And you and I as a retailer, how much are you going to make from this particular coin? The best you could do is like a 2x or a 3x from these coins. And before you know it, these VCs have actually dumped their tokens on us, making us an exit liquidity. And that is why retailers have found out these things and have chosen to buy meme coins that have low valuation, and they're going to ride these meme coins from small market cap down to higher market cap. And that way, you're going to make a lot more money from these coins than investing in VC coins. And this is why you should embrace Memecoins if you actually want to change your life. I know you've been looking to learn about cryptocurrency and how to actually make money from the crypto space. Now, I have designed a cryptocurrency mastery course. Now, the goal of this course is to pull you by hand from a beginner's level to an expert level. In this course, I talked about cryptocurrency basics, spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, And for those that want to get started with trading meme coins, I talked about DeFi, which has to do with everything with getting started with DeFi. And meme coins were one of my major concentration in this course. If you want to get access to this course, click on the link in the description. The website is uchecrypt.com. Go to the website and register for this course right now. The second way to make millions in this bull run is to focus on narratives. Now, with the way it is right now, you don't just go and buy a particular coin because you actually like that coin. Rather, you should be focusing on coins that have strong narrative, and that is the best way you can actually maximize profits from those coins. Now, one thing you should understand is what drives cryptocurrencies are narratives and news. And when there's a positive news around a particular coin or a sector, the coins under that sector actually skyrocket and people make a lot of money from them. So what you just have to do is to identify these trends early enough and jump into these trends before they start popping up everywhere on Twitter. And that way, before most retailers start talking about these coins, you've actually made insane profit. This was how I made over a 30x from a coin in 1 week, and this was during the AI boom 2 years ago. So the moment I actually spotted this very early, I invested in one of the coins like that, and before people started talking about AI a lot, the coin has actually moved up by over 30x. So when influencers were actually shilling these coins, I was glad and happy that I've had a very good entry point than every other person. And that is how you get to make more money from the crypto market. Now, the third way you can make millions from this bull run is by focusing on quality private rounds. Now, private rounds recently have been disastrous. Many persons invest in them, and when these coins launch, they don't even make the capital they invested in. Personally, what I'm doing is I'm looking out for project founders I know privately, and I'm investing in their private round, because if anything goes wrong, I can easily go and drag them to refund back my money to me. So that way, I'm actually safe. But this is not just the only metrics, because you might not have access to a lot of founders like that. So what you should start doing is make sure to do your research properly to find out quality teams before investing in them. This is also what I'll be doing too, as I plan to make a lot of money from private rounds in this bull run. So these are a few ways I intend making millions from this bull run. My goal is to start finding these coins early, invest in them, and make the maximum return out of this project. So guys, this is the end of this video. I really hope you've learned a lot from this video. If you did, I'll appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to this channel right now. And if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and how to make money, I've actually done a cryptocurrency mastery course. You can check out the link in the description, and all links are also going to be in the description. So make sure to check out the description to find out anything you actually need. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.